Hi, Scientist Amanda here with another Do Science at Home moment with the Kentucky Science Center. Today we are looking at a couple of different skulls specifically to observe their teeth. We are going to start off with a deer skull. Most of you have probably seen deer in the forest before along the side of the road. Their primary source of food is plants. Now in order to eat those plants, they have these very flat teeth that they use to grind those plant fibers up in order to help with digestion. Now, there's lots of animals that only eat plants, and those can all be classified as herbivores. Now we're going to hop over to the opposite of herbivores and talk about a carnivore. A carnivore is an animal that only eats meat. So the example we have here today is a red wolf. Now, just by looking at the outside without even opening it up, we can see these big sharp teeth that it has, and that's a huge sign that this animal does eat meat. When we open it up, we can see it does have sharp teeth along the front and the back of the mouth. These long front teeth help it to tear meat off of bone, and then those sharp teeth here in the back allow it to chew that up to help with digestion. Again, that one was a carnivore. Now we can move to the middle and use a skull that we're all pretty familiar with because we all have one of these. And our teeth are a little bit different. We don't see big sharp teeth like we do in the wolf or just all flat teeth like in the deer, and that's because we are omnivores. That means that we eat meat and plants. So we have a mixture of these two types of teeth. Up front, we have some very sharp teeth that are good for tearing meat off bone, very similar to our wolf. But if you look at the back of our mouth, we have these very flat teeth that are great for grinding up plants. Think about when you eat a salad and what part of the mouth that food sits in. Now, I do have another example of an omnivore here. We have a raccoon. This one resembles the wolf a little bit more because it has these big sharp front teeth that we're familiar with. But if we open it up, we can see in the back it has those teeth just like we do and just like the deer to help break apart some of those plant fibers for digestion. So we have raccoons, humans, and so many other animals that fall in the omnivore category. Now, a way you can experiment with this at home is to try eating different foods and making notes of what teeth you use to eat them. Whenever you're eating ribs, how do you get the meat off the bone? When you're eating a salad, what teeth are you using? If you're eating chocolate, what kind of teeth do you use? So share your observations with us and tag us on social media, and we'll see you next time.